That is called a sneeze a fart.
Anyways, that was a little introduction to our show, the Steven and Carolyn Show. Steven and Carolyn lately.
Shameless.
What's up? Shameless.
Hey, YouTubers.
Hi, YouTubers.
Hey, YouTubers. I'm going to be singing Jingle Bells. Jingle bell, jingle all the way.
So Carolyn almost got punched by a homeless woman today.
I did. Literally,
yeah,
we were walking to the beach. And I'm sitting here, I'm in my shorts, sunglasses, I'm going.
In shorts.
It's just such a great day, you know. I'm just so
Beautiful
glad that we
day.
have the
Beautiful
sun
day.
out. The sun's out, and like
Sun
as
is
I'm
out.
saying that and walking by this homeless lady's getting a little bit closer to me, and so I'm like,
She's getting too close.
Like, what did she just do?
She just comes a little too close and just goes. She goes.
I was like,
and just punches at Carolyn.
Punches at my head,
and Carolyn goes.
I was like, and then Steven goes, oh whoa, are you crazy? Are you crazy? Yeah, obviously she's crazy.
I was like, are you crazy, bitch? Do you want me to kill you and throw you in the dumpster that you eat out of?
He
no offense to any homeless people,
but he was going to.
I was going to if I had
If
more
she
time.
maybe actually punched me.
Yeah, if she really
but
punched
I ducked, she would have punched me.
Yeah, you ducked. You were pretty good.
I was a ninja.
You're like the Matrix.